Hello. Oh, hello, everybody. Today is a no webcam kind of day. I don't have one right now. Don't ask questions. But we're chilling. Um, yeah, no, it's gonna be great. We're gonna be playing more Data Center, of course. Um, I'm obsessed, so we'll keep rolling on that. I'm eating some watermelon. It's cold-ish and rainy out, and so we are just gonna jump into um we're just gonna jump into it, I think. Oh, I gotta do one test first. Okay, that doesn't pop up anywhere. That's nice. Okay, so the Twitch pops up, but not the YouTube. Oh, I see. Okay. So do this. We're good. Okay. Let me see. Alrighty. Okay, so let's oh, I haven't launched the game even. So I've done some things off screen. Um, let's see here. Sure. Alright, I'm trying to make sure everything's working because I'm using Restream for the first time. And yeah, I just making sure everything's worked. It's working here. Okay. Oh, I need to switch my screen. Holy smokes, what's up, Raz? Resubscribing with Prime. Holy moly. Macaroni and cheese. Oh, what a view. Oh, inside the shipping container. The back. Oh. All right. Oh, I need to. 1 second. I'm working on making sure everything's running. Give me a quick second. What's up, Raz? What's up? What's up? How are you doing? It almost looked like Theater Simulator. I agree. Marcus Red, at least. Okay. So this is a new game that came out semi recently. And it's called Data Center. And I don't know. I posted a what do you call it? A trailer? No, a demo video of it recently. Never ending task list, but I'm sorry you're feeling one. That's pooey. I'm sorry. So here is my data center. Oh, it's beautiful. I streamed it the other day, but this is I did a little bit off camera. I opened 2 more businesses. We did our first mainframe tower. I got opened up a little more space. One thing at a time, though, Raz. You got this. And start with the bottom and work our way up. It makes it a lot more fun. The data sending seems a bit concerning. What do you mean? It's perfectly normal. I think that it's very pretty. Ooh, tag registration. That's fun. Isn't that's really easy though, isn't it? I guess it's that's fair. I mean, sorry, that was kind of mean of me. Some tasks can add up to a lot, which I respect. It's mesmerizing. It's true. Look at this. I could make this a screen, like a background, whatever. Um. Oh, I see. You're playing that way. That seems to be a little bit problematic. All right, so I think I had up to here last time I played a couple days, 2 days ago. Which state is it? A faraway state or a nearby state? Okay, balance sheet. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so we have one empty one here, which I don't like, but we might be able to. There might be a one that has low amounts of system X, but it does not look like that. It just keeps going up. 160,000. Next Tato, or not too bad. Aha, I see. Don't you can't you do it via like electronically, or is it because you don't have an address? Let's start. Alright, let's see here. SEOL. Oop, oop, well. Go, Greg. Good boy. Uh, uh, oh, that's fair. That's fair. At least on mail, you have it officially done, I guess. I don't know. That's fair. Why do you have it registered in another state? I have to ask. Very sketchy. I want to get one of these just to see what it's like. Okay. Where's the cart? There we are. Is it because there's less tax on it or something? So we are stacking these over. We're gonna set up the infrastructure for this next business. Oh, it's black. Okay, color difference. That's good to know. And this one is going to be here. Okay. So we can do a couple things. Tell us for the other side so it's easier. Ah, oh, you have to tie. Oh, I guess that makes sense. I see. So you have to transfer the title over. Gotcha. Gotcha. So we can get, okay, so it's QSFP. 5. SFP 28 module fiber 25 gigabytes. That's what I have. I didn't need any of these trash. I don't have any of these though. I'm curious about that. 40 gigabytes is a huge amount that I don't really need. Really? Oh, I just had a cool idea though. You get your college courses. You get nothing back. Oh, I hate that. I'm sorry. Brothers jury duration. Oh dear. I'm sorry you have so much going on. It's still fun. Get that. And dude, jury duty is a very scary thing. I remember when I was called for jury duty, but it was 32 QSFP, because I feel like that I would get that too. But I was living in North Carolina. I had a North Carolina at least permit or something, some type of official thing. But they still called me for jury duty in Pennsylvania, and I'm like, brother, can you not see? They fixed it eventually, but it was a little bit of a scary moment. Never any list. Okay, you got your eye appointment. That's good. Did your eye prescription change at all? Renewed Cosmo license and bought conferences. Ren Fair. All right. Well, looks like you're on the up and up then. Congratulations, fam. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think this is a normal one. Yes. This will go on. Oh, we could probably put. I'll put it up here. Alright. What do we got? QSFP and let me see. What's it say? Put that back in. One I got better, one guy worse. Interesting. Let's see, 4 QSXP and 16 SFP. Seems overpowered. So those must be the 4 QSFP, and these are the 16 SFP. Okay. Whew. I'm gonna need an eye appointment soon. I have had my glasses for at least 5 years now, and they're so beat up, man. I'm gonna have to get new ones pretty soon. But you know, it's a little bit annoying. So we have, I think it was 76 to 74. Oh, that's really annoying. Okay. Let's see. That's a normal one. That's a minus 4.5. I said, oh, jeez. Are you even allowed to drive like that? Are you being safe on the road, Raz? Okay, so I think that one was the QSFP. And this is just a normal one. Okay. I'm trying to think. Is there a way we can... Probably is a way we can connect all these fibers together into one and simplify things a little bit, potentially. Maybe not. I think it's fine the way it is. Oh, okay, that's fair. Yeah, I've been wearing glasses a little bit more than usual because I don't know why. I just have. Oops. I prefer contacts because there's a lot of inconveniences with glasses. Especially in the current state they are. They're like, even when they're clean, they're kind of scratched up. So, okay, shelves are clear. So let's go check the calculations and see what we need for this next business. All right, counterfeit goods distribution. Fake but delivered fast. I like it. Let's see, 12,000. That means we need 10 of the yellow. I guess 8 of the blue, as well as 8 of the purple. Okay. Which means we need more rack space, I think. We need a cabinet here and probably another cabinet there. These are 5 long, these are 4. Inconceivable. Let's start wearing my glasses more. Lucky. Need to update that. More money to spend. Yeah, I feel that. I feel that. Okay. 10 of those. 8 of those. And 8 of those. Alright. Oh, 46,000. We have currently 206,000, so we're good. I'm not worried. Okay, that's 50,000. That's fine. It's expensive. Dude, every university is so... Oh my gosh. Every university is so weird when it comes to this type of thing. No, that was not Lay. That was Lay's brother's girlfriend. Lay is playing games with chicks in the room. I'm in the office right now. I've been sectioned off. Alright. Watch this stacking professional. Pretty good. Yeah, they're playing Peak, which is a max of 4 players. So, I'm not invited. I was going to be invited, but I think they should spend more time with their friends anyways. Alright. Perfect. Yo, Rockin' D Man, what's up, dude? How's it going? I need to switch this. Bonk. No webcam today, sorry, man. But you know, it's a party. How you doing, Rockin' D, man? Hope you're good. Hope you're living life well. Alright. Let's see. Mainframes will go in. I don't need... Bro. Yeah, I'm here. My wife is using the webcam right now, so I can't I didn't bring mine from the US, so that's the problem. But that's my fault. All right. I'll steal the yellow one for now, so we can. I don't want to normally space this out here.
괜찮아, 괜찮아.
Dude, I can't believe I still have those K-drama audios. It's crazy work. Alright, we'll put another cabinet here. We'll put another one here. I have lemon grab. I have...
Man's gotta do what a man's gotta do.
And that one. I did do the hand motions. You just couldn't see them. I'm sorry. It's not my fault. Okay. There we go. Everything's good. I'm gonna move this right here for now. Rockin' Demon, have you ever heard of Dr. Horrible's musical? It is worth a watch. I think. Always have a lot of fun with it. Man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. Oh, I forgot there's music in this game. I can turn that on 1 second. Hey. Ah. I'm supposed to be a professional, so there we go. I want to make sure all the audio is working. Good? Good. Okay. I don't know if there are limits on how big you can make your data center. I hope not, because my dream system would be, because we have 4 different types of servers, the mainframe and then the GPU. We can expand it this way more, but I hope you can infinitely expand it that way. In Silence, I rarely play in Silence, to be honest. I like to have some type of background noise, either YouTube or... Unless it's like big and important, like story-wise, I sometimes pause or have to think a lot, maybe. We're recording video, of course. Yeah, that's also... Okay, so right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 times 12. 72,000 kapoots in this. And we need 80,000, which needs to be 8,000 more kapoots. So our options are get 2 small ones or 1 big one. And I'm gonna go 1 big one, I think. Although we might be able to slot, if we can slot a small one under there. Just unplug one here. Okay, we'll get 2 small ones then. I can't go purchasing it, so we need 2 small blue ones. And we need 90,000. Alright. Dude, we're doing so good. We have a lot of money. We're making a bunch of money per second. And we've unlocked everything, so experience is irrelevant right now, but we're making 3.73 experience per second as well. Oh, we have actually need for an employee. It's a technician. Alright. Good stuff. Alright. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. So do you see the restream icon on the top corner? Alright, Raz, I appreciate your lurking support. Oh. Apparently there's supposed to be a watermark on the stream, but I have not seen it anywhere. So. Alright. Here we go. Let's keep going at this. So if we did 84, and put 2 small ones in here. I think that's what this is. 6 times 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, thanks, Raz. 6 times 4. No, 6 times 12 is 56. No. 66. It'd be 72. So 10 more is 82. Right, so we need 1 big and 2 small. Okay. That's doable. Alright, thanks, Ross. Interesting. Very interesting. No, not there. Let's see. Weird. How did I know? I don't know where the categories closed. Interesting. Oh, I'm thinking of the wrong one. There it is. Okay. Edit. There we go. Poof. All right, Raz. I'll see you in a bit. Font. All right. They advertised. Okay. What in the world? There. I think. I don't know. Alright. I'm gonna get 2 small mainframes and 2 small blues. Okay. Oh, that didn't fix that problem. Some of the items, when you purchase them and there's already some items in the truck, they sometimes still get placed on top of the things that are already in the truck. It's one of the bugs I've noticed. There's not a lot of bugs. It's so far worked very smoothly. Okay, let's pull this out. Okay, that is the correct spacing. So this pumps it up to 72, 82. And this 12 is going to finish it off. Wonderful. Alright. Let's wire this up. Whoa. Okay. Let's do this one. Kabam. gonna fit in with the rest of them. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah. Dude, I'm so excited to see this. This is our biggest job yet, and we are pretty much set up. I just gotta wire everything. And this shouldn't take too much room, because Ethernet can only send up to 10 gig in this game. It can only send up to 10 gigabytes. While this one can send up to 25. It goes the fiber optic. And then the other one, like the 5-way fiber optic, whatever, says 40 something. I do want to test it out, but that means I probably need to get some cable. Alright, so that's gonna be the 40 gigabytes per second, which is mental. Like, you remember for this next? This is the biggest one we have. This is 12.25. Like, that's, we don't need 40. This one could technically run on Ethernet, but that doesn't matter. We're still gonna run it on fiber and whatever that is. So let me get this new cable actually. Also need the 2 small blue ones. Oh wait, I should get those first. Kabam. Really jammed in there. That one. Okay. Blue. Alright, 70 meters of this left. Okay. There. To there. To there. And there. Can't see a thing. Excellent. Execute. Oh, this is a bad number of cable. Goodness gracious. I don't want that. Okay. Let's get serious about this wiring situation. The data center wiring station is crazy. You won't believe what's next. Skadoosh, and skadoosh. Okay, that should be all of them. Yes. Alright. There we go. It's the Devil's Spool. What's up, Cyborg622? Welcome in, my friend. Hope you're doing good. Devil's Spool, that's great. I like that. How are you? I think I asked that already. Holy smokes. Does this have... I can't tell. Let me see. How are you? I think I just asked that for the 3rd time, and I don't know what's wrong with it. 3 hours? Okay, we're good then. Okay. Now I'm taking a break from my data center game. Sweet. How far along are you, my friend? I'm happy for you already. This is 16 ports. Let me see. I need 120, which means 10. 0.6 for each. I think we're still running off that. 160, yeah. Even with these big ones. So that's 6 gigabytes. That's fine. That's fine for one Switch. So let's put it up. And let's get going. Oh, I got an extra mainframe here. Oh, we have a couple switches in here already. 7 client data cabinets, all data redundant. That's sweet. I got 4. I got 8. I'm working on number 9. And I have my employees to switch out the cabinets, so I don't need redundant. They can switch out the cables without having to unplug anything or reassign IPs or whatnot. And pretty soon, like these first yellow ones I set up are gonna be dying on me. Oh, that's not a bad idea. At this point, I make so much money that $3 a second isn't gonna make too much of a difference. I just stopped caring. Yeah, did you play the demo of the game? Or did you play it only on release? The EO Deadway. Alright. Yeah, I played the demo of it 9 days before release, and I played 6 to 8 hours on it. It was a beautiful mess. But then once the full game out, the demo stopped, so I couldn't play the demo anymore. I was a little bit sad. But at first, I did not realize that there were clips on the side of the cabinets or the cases, towers. So all my wires were going directly from here to the Switch, which I guess was saved in wire. But yeah, 80 hours in the demo? How did you manage that? Wasn't there like limited space? You couldn't buy more area. How did... I'm wildly impressed. Holy cow. Oh. How many hours do you have sunk in the full game? You're consistent. You know what? I respect that. I respect that. It's 3, 4, 5, 6. That's impressive. That is so impressive. Okay, so we only have this one connected. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from here, we're gonna get 5 more. It's only been out for like 3 days. You have 100 hours? That is amazing. I want to see what your data center looks like, to be honest. It's got to be the most beautiful thing. Because I have been thinking, with how much data can run through one of these, with the 4 QSFP and then the 16 SFP. I've been thinking if I made like a central tower that could maybe lend a hand to the cable management a little bit. Learn to... Aha, oh, okay. That makes sense. How many cabinets did you unlock in the demo? Because I feel like there was only so much space you could fit in. I could only see myself maybe fitting 2 more. I think that would be like a total of 5-ish. Yeah. Play space was locked, correct. I kind of want to go back and play the demo just to see how much I can fit in. I guess we could almost do that, but the first couple businesses are all yellow now instead of the red. Like, I remember this one was yellow and blue in the demo and stuff like that. So, what I would do, since you seem to be a professional, I've been thinking. I already mentioned this. I'm gonna explicitly ask for your thoughts on this. What do you think of a tower dedicated to switches going to the cabinets? Do you think that's a bad or good idea? Because I can see advantages and disadvantages of it. I think it would clean up the overhead space a little bit because mine's kind of messy. 180 hours. I feel like you're more pro than me, so well experienced. You could call it. Let me see if this should be enough. What's this one right? Is this one also? Oh, this one's also the purple. Because I feel like having a central switch area would be good in terms of like locating things. You do that? Okay. So do you have like every tower have a switch and then all those towers go to one switch or something like that? One tower. And then kind of... So that would make sense because this thing is going to hold up to... These things, I think, are going to go up to 40 gigabytes. So there's a lot of data that could come in from there. Client cluster. Okay. I've been thinking about doing something like that, if I am guessing based on what it's called. That means correctly. Ah, that was horrible. Ew, disgusting. Yeah. There we go. Alright. So what other games do you play? Subway. Alright. This one. I love the what is it? The slow repetitiveness of this. 1980? I don't know what the word is. Trying to sound smart, but I'm not. Okay, that should be 10. Truck sim. Ah, why did it bleeped out satisfactory? But just the sass part. What in the world? Can I go into mod view and unban that word? That's funny. Stream together, no. I don't understand this chat setting. Shield mode, cheer. No. Alright. Okay, yeah, satisfactory. I'm scared of trying that game. Oh, I see. Might think it's... Yeah, possibly. So I'm scared of getting that game because that type of game swallows up so much of my time. What in the world is going on here? That kind of looks cool. Yeah, we'll roll with that. Where are we going? Alright, we're going down here. Oh boy. What in the highway is going on here? I'm so confused. We'll take the 4th lane. we'll send it down here. Yes, that's perfect. And to there. To there. Oh, I don't have the adapter. It'd be fun, but trying. Yeah, I've seen some people have like these huge builds, and I'm like, I'm a little bit scared of them, you know. Screws. Oh boy. Oh man. Alright. Okay. That should be all the yellow ones connected up. Need two more. One for the mainframe, one for the... that one. And then I'll have this one on the out. Okay. I need to get that new cable. I love those factory type automation games. There was one all about cubes. I also post videos on YouTube, and there was one. It was Satisfactory-esque where you'd have to. I don't know. I haven't watched an actual playthrough of Satisfactory, but pretty much you had a giant hole. And the whole one in specific cubes with like different sides, one in colors and all sorts of variations. And it was a lot of fun, and it got very messy. But yeah, so it's that same type of game where it's like, oh, you're kind of like building up production automation and all that jazz, which is very, very fun to me. Lane 1 is used up there, so let's go lane 3. Yeah. Oh, lane 3 is used too. Alright. I'll use lane 3 here too, heck. And perfect. Alright. Oh man. What was that one going to? Oh, this one. That's not too bad though. Okay. So all three of those should be in. Ready to go. Okay. So now we have to turn all of them on. Eesh. Okay, let's start with the yellow because it's the furthest away. I am glad that we don't have to worry about running power cables to all the servers. That would be crazy. That's what I'm going to set up right now. Client cabinet is fiber optic to distribution cabinet, which switches it to primary and secondary network for redundancy. Okay. Is it kind of like the picture they have? Well, maybe not. Customer, order spine, leaf, and servers. That kind of sounds like what you're doing with that. So, okay. Here's my question. It has two outputs. Can you put two different businesses in the same server and it would split it into 6,000 IOPS to each? Or does it just do half? Because right now it says max speed, and that's what it's going to. Because I've been assigning one server to each customer, because you can only do like one assignment in the front. That's my biggest question. Why are there two plugs on the back of these servers? because I've only used one of each. That was a mistake. I know. I'm suffering with it too. Yeah, we can turn these on. Alright. There, let's go. Let's jump in. Open up. Alright, 100 to 12. And one side. More wiring, but when something goes down, it stays up. I add 2 servers to each type for clients. Huh. Oh, I see. Okay. I think that was fine. Okay. 212. 212. Excellent. This way, if a server dies, the client needs are still met. Okay. I see. Okay. See, I guess I go the lazy route because you have 15 minutes to whatever, maybe 12 to fix it. I'm just like, all right, I'll just replace it real quick. And they call it server maintenance downtime for a reason, right? Yeah, I missed one. Is it 5 already? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. It's not realistic, I guess. I guess IRL they would have different. They would have backups like that. And in my ideal world, they are, but I just get overwhelmed with how many servers. Like for this one, we need 10 big yellow servers. You know. Wait, why isn't this? I'm a little bit confused. Why isn't this at the top? I think it'll be fine. It's my first playthrough. I think if I play through from the beginning again, I will definitely do more of a zero to downtime center. Oh, let's see. Exceed what they want to pay for. Yes, I do know that. In the demo, I farmed money by like doubling the amount that they wanted. And I got a lot of money from that. Okay, and that's good. And turn that on. Yes, and that should be good. I just need to connect this. Oh gosh, there's so much here. Yeah, here's good. Here. Shoot. Wait, no, this doesn't work. Because I need the... One second. I gotta... The IP is limited. You can always max out the IP addresses. The client raking the extra money. Yes. I have thought about that. I think if I did a rerun, I would definitely do that. So this... So you can't run this one to the cabinet, huh? Link aggregation with the switches. No, that one is... Oh boy. I'm up for learning, but I don't know that one. Can you connect this one to the normals? I don't think so. This feels incorrect. Alright, I will try it, because why would they have this? Yeah. I'm very confused by this. We'll figure that one out later. Link aggregation with the switches. No, yeah, that one. Really? Good sir. I need that. Allows you multiple Ethernet ports together for higher bandwidth. How do you do that one? Is that with the patches? So I feel like I'm not fully utilizing all the tools in this game. And I feel like the patches is one of them. Alright, we're matching the required data for this one. No. Did I not wire that in? Must have missed it. Alright, let me finish building the infrastructure for this guy, and then we will definitely do that. Hit 3 dots. Okay, I did open that only to name. Oh, I didn't do it here, but I named some of the switches. Okay, but let me set up this infrastructure because the clock is ticking, and I'll do that, and then we'll talk about getting this thing done. 25, 5, 12, 1. Okay. Alright. No, you can name them. Yes, I figured that one out. I got that one. 25, 5, 12. 25, 12, 1, 2. 25, 5, 12. Got it. 25, 5, 12. Point. Copy. 2. And there we go. 3. Paste. 4. 5. 6. 7. Here we go, and 8. Do this one here. 9. That was rude. 9. There we go. Okay. So blue's done. Let's get these mainframes dealt with, and then I want to 10 gigabyte plus 10 gigabyte plus 10 gigabyte. 4 Ethernet cables, what allows you to do 40 per second. Oh, I see. And so the switches allow you to do that by aggregating. I think I understand what you're saying. Let's see, 90,000. What are we? 172, 16, 13. Here, 172, 16, 13 point, copy. Alright, let's turn these suckers on here. 4 laneways to distribute the data. Aha, okay. Awesome. I will definitely give that a whirl when I'm done here. 3. Paste 4. Okay, 5. 6. Okay. What I want to do is I want to speed up the process of punching the IPs in, but I don't know if there is a way, because it doesn't give you the IP until... Are we 1,000 off? Are you serious? Are you serious right now? Oh my word. This is a disaster. No, stop. I'm panicking here. Okay. And then go back, shop. Oh wait a second. Actually, it's this one down here. I remember. I guess it's 10. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's fair. Thanks, man. Alright, so let's say... Alright, let me... So, switch interface. 3 dots. Okay. So these ones are the servers. And you're saying... Okay, so the little circle. Not that one. So if we collect all these, would it be like this? Ah. They have to be run to the same switch. Oh, I see. Okay. Here, let me do some experiments here. There's an empty tower. I think we have some switches here. Alright, I want to do some experiments. If you're trying to get data for one switch or another, it's over a gigabyte, then you can cables instead of doing... Huh. Changing from one switch to another. Okay. So, my current setups are... We have... each of the server types running to one switch. Well, it's usually not like... Yes. Yeah, it's usually like this, but I've been doing it like this. So this one runs to this one, these two as well, and then this one comes in. Is there an advantage to use a bunch of gigabytes over one, let's say, fiber optic? Cause it... Equipment is cheaper. Ah, okay. So, if you're scrapped for cash, it matters. I see. I almost have $300,000. I'm not... I want to learn how to... Let's see. So if we got this one, all of these are running to different devices. But if you have, let's say, let's put like 4 in here. Ignore the mess. It's a test. Turn these both on. So you have these four. Aha. Okay. So does that mean there's 40 gigabytes coming out of this bottom switch? We need to do 30 large mainframe to meet client's requirements. You can do that through switches. 2 Ethernet cables runs backward to each switch. Okay, let me think. You need to throw 30 large mainframe to meet client's requirements. Do that through switches. Have 2 Ethernet cables run as backup each switch. Oh, I see. So that way you only need to send one wire out to the cabinet. I think. Oh boy. I'm trying to be learning here. I'm sorry. I'm a little bit slow sometimes. I learn by visual cues better usually. So we got 30. So let's imagine 30 mainframes. No, my headphones are bugging out here. So if we got 30 large mainframes, then we I think I know what you're saying, but I can't explain it in my own words. So you're saying, let's say, fiber optic to 4-port switch with 2 Ethernet cables, a 16-port switch, 12 servers connected to that, and then 2 Ethernet running to the first 2 ports of this next switch. Aha! So that allows enough data to handle 12 servers, pretty much. Instead of getting something like, well, this is a bunch of QSFP. I don't think that's gonna help us. So we got fiber optic running to one of these guys from the cabinet here, like this. This is exactly what we're talking about. And it runs to this. So I have part of the setup. Well, that's a big one, but like something like this. So we have 2 Ethernets running along each of the switches for each type of server. So instead of each color having their own slot, you run 2 back and forth from each the whole thing. Am I getting that right? I assume, or is that not considering the types of servers? If we're doing 30 of one versus 15 of 2 different ones. So let's see. It's not the best way to do it. It's a lot cheaper than buying the more expensive switches. That's fair. Okay. I kind of want to try that just to see how it works. See it work in not real life, you know? This next one is so big. Holy smokes. You get to the big SPS switch, you got like $100 per report. Expensive report, yeah. Let me see. Customer 5, 1, 0. Oh gosh, this scroll wheel's not. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Cable connections. This is very intensive. Let me see. So, oh yeah, that's true. It does get quite a bit expensive. 0 penalties. Let's go. Asset manager. Oh. So we got 59 minutes, 55. I was trying to see. Oh, that was 30 minutes. Oh, we got a first blue one. 2 of them. 10 minutes. Oh, this one's almost gone. Oh, there's another one. Yeah. Oh boy, we got an EOL wave coming in about 10 minutes. Okay. So, here's a question. 1 second, I gotta charge my laptop while I'm reading Twitch chat. Okay. So, let me see. If we're doing a switch tower, I feel like this could be like how everything connects. You do the link aggregation on the fiber optics too, it'll be huge gigabit per second. Okay, because that was my thought. Oh my gosh, I need a new what? I need a new headphone cable. It keeps bugging out on me. Anyways, so is there a way? I don't see a way to connect this to the cabinets. Like, this is the one with like the 40 gigabytes, whatever. There's no way to connect that to the cabinet. But let me think. If I can do an experiment here. I guess with these ones, you could almost do a combo of fiber optic and gigabit, right? Two. Aggregate with profiles. Woo. 400 gigabytes per second is massive. I'll try that. No, not there. But is there a way to get the Oh, there is a way. You can take these out. Huh. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna just run the same tube over here. What color are we? Light green? Mint? Blue? Can barely tell, it's moving so fast. I think it's this one. So here we go. This one's 14.8 gigabytes per second, and this one's 0. So you're saying if we... let me see. I guess it's these ones. If we combine them... it does the 7.4. Okay, so it combines them. So now, if the demand was higher, we could go up to 50. That's what we're saying. I understand. Oh, moment of clarity. Oh. What customer needs 50 gigabytes? I have, let's see, this one, what's the most recent? This one, the most recent one is running 14.8. So one fiber optic could handle that for now. I think he's got it. It took a while, but I got there. Okay, so you know what would be really fun? Because this one's like the lowest one. You set up a whole wall of big ones. Aggregated them. You listen, Jado, listen, man. I'm sorry. I appreciate you sticking around. One fellow data center player to the X. Oh man. Okay. Let me. You've seen on the hype. How high some IHOP requirements are? No. Let me look. Let's see. Oh snap! That's 200,000. Jeez. Let's count it by the wall. Do the things change based on? Oh, they do. 360,000. Dude, I'm gonna be playing this game. I see why you put so much hours into it. I always thought it was the same no matter what. Okay, it does do the same until okay, probably splits it. Yeah. Oh, that's why when I was getting to this point, it showed only 2. That was because it was running. I see. Okay. 16 beyond the one I'm at. Jeez. You are. Oh man. So pretty soon I will need to be building server or the yellow ones over this. What I was hoping to do was build green ones here and then infinitely go backwards. But I might have to be thinking a little more strategically about that. You know, I have a lot of money. Maybe I'll just 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I got 7. Let me see. That's so much space. Are you doing like 16 this direction? My game, the highest one I have so far is 360,000 IHOPs a second. Yeah, the mainframe right here. What is that? Like, is that? Oh, that's the 30 mainframes you're talking about, isn't it? Dude, I never dreamed this big for my data center. I need to do better. I'll just expand the space. I'm gonna actually expand it this. I'm gonna square it off a little. Oh, you can just do a double E. That's good. Alright. I just like to look big, so let me just a little bit. That'll be 30 mainframes. Dude, I don't have my webcam right now, but I'm excited. I just hope my save transfers from over Steam Cloud, because yeah, oh yeah, I noticed that. But right now, I have a little bit of ego with how much money I have, so I'm 10,000 a wall. Gosh. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm slow down on that then. I have enough space for now. So, okay, I have another question for you on how you do your setup. When I first played the demo, I did each business kind of clustered together, which I guess you mentioned customer clusters. Because right now I have them kind of jumbled up a little bit. Like some of the time, like this one is leeching into this one a little bit, and this one is leeching into this one. So you had them grouped together per. Oh boy, 4 isn't too bad. Oh, 5, 6. Oh my gosh. There they go. Clustered up. Would make sense. I'm plugged in. Why? Oh, power mode off. I don't want to search. Energy recovery. No. Is there no energy in settings? Goodness gracious. Should be able to turn it off here. Oh, no. Turn this up. There we go. Battery settings. Energy saver. Hopefully that works. It kept darkening the screen. I'm like, oh, okay. They are working on this. Just one at a time. Because currently, technically, so the EUL doesn't turn off the machines. It's just it doesn't do anything. I mean, in real life, it would make sense that, oh, you only want to run the servers for so long. But is there like some kind of penalty if EUL is on too long? It's guaranteed time the server will run. After that, they could die any moment. Aha, okay. So it's not a guaranteed death at the end. Gotcha. Alright. Yeah, aha, okay. Okay. Are you an actual, or do you work in, like, tech suburb? Any chance? Real life? Or do you just read more instructions than I do? Okay. What are we gonna need in this? I think I'm gonna start clustering things. I think that's the smart move. Trained a Microsoft Certified System Admin. Knowledge in this game I have. Aha. This game I have those basically from playing. Okay, gotcha. But you have a mind for technology, so I'm more into like programming and stuff. I took a couple networking classes, but not a whole lot of them. So that's let's see, 140. That's pretty hefty. What we have. 10,000. No, 100,000 and 110. So we need 10. 11. Yellow. 96. So we could go 8 big, 1 small for this one. And probably just do... I guess we could do 11 purples for this. Have a full rack downstairs with a server? Dude, that's my dream. One day, I would just want a server, because I want to host my own Minecraft server on, like, physical servers, instead of renting servers from, you know, over the cloud and whatnot. I kind of did that once with an old PC. I pretty much didn't have a screen plugged into it, and I have remote access to it, so I could still see the desktop and run a server off of it. But, dude, I'd love to build an actual server someday. Would be really fun. Do I not have repairmen fixing these? Gosh, must have happened afterwards. Lenovo Tiny Server X. Actual server equipment requires a lot of electricity. Whew. I'll get solar panels first, then I guess. 5 kilowatts. Let me see. Lenovo Tiny Server. Let's see. 40 amp circuit. That's great. Whoops, I hit my microphone. That's great. Oh, I can get it off Amazon. $600. Gen 4 Tiny 1L Business Mini Desktop Computer. Oh, so that's an actual computer. It's on sale. That's pretty good. And then Intel 5 gigabytes, NVMe, 16 gigabytes RAM. This ain't too bad. Oh, that's a tiny server right there. Tiny desktop. Yeah, that's pretty much what I had, except it was an old version of it, so it wasn't very good. I got it from my job. And he's like, oh, he upgraded his computers. He said, all you need to do is figure out how to take the hard drive out, and I did. So I got a new one. Pair 6 of them together, and you have plenty of power. Oh, that's... You're giving me some great ideas. I probably should not. I'm currently moving country right now, so I can't, let's see. Okay, so what I might do, because these 2 towers have mainframes, I'm gonna need more, so I'll just order more and gotta switch them out. But I'll move over here, and then from this point on, I can start clustering the different server types together, making it a little more simple. eBay, that's pretty cool though. I'll have to remember that. Proximox to aggregate them all together. And Pelican to run the game servers. Pelican. Alright, I'm gonna make a note. Give me 1 second. Notepad. eBay piece. Tiny computer. And then aggregate, and then sweet. Yeah. There, Linux. Okay. Electronics recycling facilities where you pick up computers super cheap. That is cool. I like the idea of refurbishing old tech into like newer stuff. One day, my dream is to build a PC, like a new PC tower, in like a really old case. I've seen some of that online, and it sounds like such a fun idea. 16 Lenovo Tinies for $200. That's bonkers. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna get another rack and a bunch more of the purples. That should be enough. And then... Ooh, I could do custom color. I don't know. Oh, I pick it out now. I see. This is the color wheel, and then this is brightness. Huh. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Doing a retro build in horror is fun and hilarious. Exactly. I want to do a lot with tech, and I also want to build circuits and stuff. I took in high school. I took a class in Raspberry Pi. So pretty much, they gave us a Raspberry Pi. The first one had a Wi-Fi adapter where they sent us. They sent us a keyboard, a mouse, and a case. And they gave us instructions on how to boot it up with a Linux Pi, Raspberry Pi Linux. And then they gave us a bunch of like LEDs, like a breadboard, circuit board, whatever. And they pretty much told us, this is how you build circuits. Do it this way. And then they gave us buttons and stuff, so we were able to program and build circuits, pretty much. And they gave us so much for free. I still have them, and I'm like, I want to do more of that. I'm gonna get into soldering them so they're permanent. Ugh. Dreams, man, dreams. It was a great opportunity, and my understanding of tech and everything. They also did a 3D printer course, which was fun. Alright. We only need 2, really, I guess. 2 switches in this. Structure simulator downstairs. Arduino Sim Hub. Holy moly! That's so cool. That's awesome. So this one needs 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 purples. Alright, I'm not gonna be so dedicated to do the 0 downtime one first, but I will take some great inspirations. Oh, boo. Boo. I forgot. I meant to stop them. Yep, here we are. Alright, we're chilling. Just gonna slot these in. There we go. What's up, brother? I'm just filling up the server, these new mainframes. Alright. That should be good for the first one. I'm gonna wire that up, and then... Okay. Good. There we go. This way. Multiplayer? Holy smokes, dude. I did never imagined. Multiplayer. Holy moly. God, that's such a good idea. You're not wiring it the right way. You gotta wire it individually so that you can see and cable manage. Alright. This. Oh, poo. I'm doing this wrong. This is the wrong spot. Well, I do need to do that eventually. Man. Because what I want to do, I could have it going straight from here to here instead of mixing it up. And hey, while you're bickering, your money is going up anyway, so you may as well. Jumping into let's see how they're doing. See if we can do. Heck yeah, dude, I appreciate that. Do you blah blah blah. Do you stream something, or are you just like play it on your own type of thing? I was streaming 2 years ago. Take a dude kid. Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, that's Truck Simulator on American Truck Simulator. Dude, I bet people were jealous. Having such an in-depth setup is so impressive. Was that number 6 or was that 5? Yeah, 6. There we go. Now I'll wire these up. And I'm so split between focusing on YouTube and focusing on streams, because YouTube's a lot more time consuming because you gotta record, edit, double edit, triple edit the video, and then hope it works. Whereas with live stream, like live streaming, it's all just like chill. Oh, I can talk to people if no one's here. I still try to talk a little, so it's in case someone pops in, whatever. Oh, that's not good. Okay. I'm gonna have to get some downtime for this server, but okay. No advertising or YouTube or anything. Got 68 views. That's bonkers, dude. Congrats. Was that too soon? Maybe. Alright, I'm gonna turn this all off. That one, stay on. Okay. I think that was a little too soon. Oh well. On here, and here. What IPs are we working with? I don't even remember. Oh yeah. I think that was too soon. One, I'm gonna just copy it. Turn that back off. Okay. business is this? I need to pay attention. Probability of manufacturing. Okay. I see last one. Twitch. Yeah. Right now, I am streaming on YouTube and Twitch. Should be this one. Why aren't you working? Oh, I never connected it. That's why. I'm a dingus. Ah, it's simple. I'm just a dingus. Let's put it there and yeah. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Control. Yeah, that's actually smart. I have used the zoom. It's just a little inconvenient sometimes. But reprogramming it is actually a good idea. Okay. Nice. Now on 6. Yeah. And number 7. Yo, Gino, what's up, my friend? Yeah, no, I honestly, I think would be really cool if, instead of pressing down on scroll, you could scroll. So you could permanently be zoomed in and out. And like, it'd be like one push to make it zoom all the way in or whatever. Like, that would be like one scroll. But instead of holding it down, you could just keep it that way and you can just scroll, zoom in, whatever. Nice. That's much better. How you doing, Gino? What's the news of the day? That even would. Yes, exactly. That's why I said it. It makes sense. That's all I say. Cents and dollars, of course. Alrighty. Let's keep going. Good. I'm good, dude. We're just building up servers, chilling. Satisfying customers in a technological demands type of way. Okay, so I should be able to disconnect all of these guys here. How are studies, Gino? Did you hear about the cheese news? I did not. What cheese news is this? So, my problem is now, I should have built this one over one. The Netherlands officially makes the world's best cheese. Well, I know where I'm traveling to next. That's not true. My wedding anniversary is next month. And we're going to Estonia. But Netherlands is now close to the top of the list, because that sounds like a requirement to visit. Oh boy, we got. Oh my gosh, they're all broken. Quick and easy. Well, okay, best cheese. That sounds fantastic, dude. Send out the intern. Yeah, boys. Finally, you don't have to pick your nails anymore. You can actually work for once. Alright. Let's see. We need to... It's gonna be annoying, man. Oh, this is... I'm gonna have to change this. This is a disaster. Before today, it was beautiful, but now it's a little bit too messy for my liking. I can understand the clustering now. Goodness gracious. Your spade looks somewhat organized. Really? I'm impressed. Because I'm thinking... Yeah. I guess it's clustered up a little bit. This one right here is making me a little annoyed because it's going like woo, woo, instead of from here to here straight. But if I delete this cable here, it's going to delete the whole run all the way down there. At the biennial World Championship Cheese Contest in Wisconsin, they chose Mr. Royal Grand Cru as winner. Holy smokes. How do I get that in Sweden, though? Because... Oh, we got more. Okay, you're switching out that switch. Dude, Beamerster Royal Grand Cru. That's amazing. Oh, there's more. It's all happening at once. That half an hour must have happened. Oh my word. Fix it, guys. Fix it. Don't want anything breaking on me. I do like the look of, you know, the different colors go into the same color as a big group, but... Ooh. Okay. Let me see. Alright. Was that the way it sounded? It's very scary. Are we working here? Okay, good. Online. Okay. 1 second. I gotta check this. Right. Beamster Royal Grand Cru. You know, the sad part is I'm traveling to the US in like a couple days. I'll type in it. Oops. Dude, are you also a lover of cheese? Beamster, what was it? Royal Grand Cru. That's literally just on Amazon.com. That's crazy. But it's not the right Beamster. BeamsterCheese.us. Royal Grand Cru. Aged 12 months. Oh, that's a whole wheel of it. 2026. There it is. I could pin it to my Pinterest board. Permanent seafood diet. I seafood and you have to find the right cracker for each cheese. I see. Drink pairings. Oh, okay. Food pairings. Here we go. Royal Grand Cru. Let me see. Can I would like to stream it, but it's got all my tabs on it. I don't want to be in person here, do I? Nah, I can stream this. 1 second. We're gonna take a break from the game. Order in Europe with... Ooh, are you swearing, Gino? Shame on you. What I'll do is... Oh, it's tiny. There we go. Then you can't see any of my information. So where we got? Did I pause? Okay, I did pause. Because I accidentally, during the rocket launch the other day, I left the game running. And I wasn't paused. So I went from like $0 to 60,000 of them. Alright, so it's a robust cheese. Aged for 12 months. Order in Europe with Dude, I want to know what that says, but I don't know if I can find a way to do that. It censored you, Gino. I think that's offensive to me. Alright, let's see. Food pairings: fennel, salami, ham, apples, grapes, dried cranberries, walnuts, and jam. I'm allergic to walnuts, but jam works. Serve with fruit nut bread or crisps. GoudaCheeseShop.com. Is it a Gouda? What is it? GoudaCheeseShop.com. Alright, let's search. Yeah, that makes sense. The FedEx driver is 60 kilo. Dude, that'd be hilarious. Oh man. Award-winning cheeses. That should be right here. Yes. Cheese here. Wait. Let's see. Half a cheese, 5.5. Dude, I order this. 11.5 kilos. I'm gonna see what that is in Swedish crowns. This is one reason I can use it. That's so expensive. It's actually not that bad, all things considered. $250 for 11 kilos of cheese. If I order this, my wife will be very upset. No cutting. 8 equal pieces, vacuum packed. Dude, I dream of the day. It's 400 Canadian. That's, yeah. That's about $260 USD, I think. I want a cheese wheel someday. But we could order like a small amount. Let's see, shipping costs. Okay, shipping costs within the EU. Standard €10. EHL shipping pickup. That's Austria. Where's it? Beep, 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 beep. Oh, you know, my ancestors on my dad's side are from Latvia. Oh, that's expensive shipping. Holy cow. That's about half your mortgage cheese, man. Oh, dude, it would be so funny to watch the shipping guy. Oh, it looks like it comes in a box, which is unfortunate. Oh, it's expensive going to Sweden. So all I gotta do is find the cheapest number, find someone to ship it to, drive there, and pick it up. Dude, it's more expensive for shipping to get. Because, oh man, that's too bad. Uh, 250 grams for what would it be? So $7.25 plus 25 crowns, $25. That's about $30 to $40. It is cool ship. That is true. I would want to probably get at least 500 grams then. Make it worth the shipping a little bit. I'm gonna send a picture of this to my wife and see what she says. There's a. She's playing Peak, so she's probably going to be annoyed by all the messages I'm sending. Ah, stupid ad break. Dude, do you know you are 10 out of 10 out of this? Alright. I'm convinced. I decided I convinced the wife. And we're good. I haven't checked my YouTube chat in a while. 1 second. Oh, Scooty! Oh no, he dropped in. Scooty, I didn't see you. Please be recent. Yo. I missed your chat, brother. I am sorry. Uh-oh, I unfollowed. Patriotic bunch. Okay, my next day, you drive 20 hours. Are you in like Texas or Alaska? You gotta be Texas, right? I just mean Oh, you're in Canada. Alright. Ontario, okay. Yeah, North America is very big. I grew up in Pennsylvania in the US. I didn't plug my headphones in. And then, my family started migrating south. So North Carolina is kind of my base of operations. And then I married someone from Sweden. So now I'm moving to Sweden. Hopefully soon. Dude, someday I think a road trip across Europe would be great. My house in Stockholm is 14 hours. That's not too bad. That's Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania to Florida's about 18 hours. At least it used to be. Just pretend the whole road is on Autobahn and you're good. Let me make sure I have all my maintenance on track. No, I don't. Alright. Okay. That's not the fact that you can drive faster. You can avoid all the slower people. That's true. Avoiding the slow people that's difficult. 150 through the 30 zones? Oh, dude. It's mental. We are currently approximately an hour north of Stockholm. So if you're coming from the north, that cuts an hour off your trip. But there isn't much more countries north of me, so you're probably coming from more the east. Alright, now let's try to focus here. Oh, man, I feel so bad. So there's this guy on YouTube that I've been watching. He does a lot of Grounded 2 content, and like, I don't know if you heard of Grounded. It's like a survival game. But, he streams pretty often, and he's such a chill guy. But he sent a message in my YouTube chat, but I had it hidden for a long time, and I didn't reply, and I feel really, really bad. I want to see if he's... Streamed 6 days ago. Okay, it's been a while. All right. Anyways, okay. All right. Let's refocus here. So, the bummer about this isn't enough to cover this. So we need one more big one. So I either have to go across the bottom or rewire all this to go to this one. Which I probably will do. I'm kind of tempted to do that. As annoying that would be, I think it's worth it. Plenty of wiring left. Okay. Let's see here. Pretend nothing's happening. It's all under control. High stress environment, this data center. Come on. There we go. Take that out. There you go. I do wonder what it would be like to work in an IRL data center. Because I do like the tech stuff. So, you know. All full small servers. It's been. Oh my gosh. I forgot. That is horrible. I'm sorry. Oh, yes. Because the misclicks are the world ending. I'm gonna lurk. Have a good rest of the stream. DM me if you're allowed to. Dude, I want to, and I will do my best. Loud? Sorry. I walk close up to the mic. Thanks for hopping in, Jano. I appreciate you, brother. I'll catch you around. You have a great day. I'll let you know about the cheese. Oh. Sorry about that, Cyborg. These two here. Oh, data centers are loud. That makes sense. I have the game volume turned down quite a bit, actually. Because of that, the fans were very noisy. Okay. And now, oh, we have to turn them all back on, but should be good to go. Oh, yeah. Okay, all right. I appreciate it. I forgot I asked or made that comment for a second. We're set. So now, all we gotta do is get a small and big one. Right there. Good. But for now, what do we got? Numbers on here. 17. Copy. What's this one? That's fake news. No, fake objects. Alright, if I turn that off, I should be able to paste this in the bottom. Yes. No, I can't. Alright, that's annoying. I might be able to keep that one. So I need 2 to... Okay. Paste. Yeah. No, I wanted to copy that without the... So. I have 4 DL68 Gen 6s in the basement. This full till... I don't want to be this... That's bonkers. Okay, that one. I never thought about that, but it makes sense. The noise of them. I wonder if like workers have to wear like noise suppression or something on their ears to protect. Or is that one of those looked over things? No, that one there. It's this way. There we go. And then there's 7. And then there's 8. Oh yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Alright. And then I'll take you as well. I love how you can run just as fast on the ground. I think that's the lowest spot. Okay. Turn these puppies on. Okay. Go up this way. And one more. Nope. There we go. Wait, no. I'm a dingus. Wrong ones. Oh, that's stupid. We'll do these 2 bottom ones here. Oh. There. And then this should be gone. Why is this so weird? I don't fully understand. Ew. I just don't want to get the wrong one. There's the end of life. I have all of them connected. We're 1,000 off. But I had the same amount of servers last time, didn't I? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They not get it as much. Let's see, 12. Well, effective speed right now is all 12, 12, 12. Ah, this one's not wired up. This is why clear wiring is important. There we go. Got it. Okay. Excellent. I need to switch that one out. Okay. Intern, my friend. Alright. Let's see here. This will be the first one we're going to cluster. What do we got? 140,000. So that's 11 yellow. 8. And 11 big yellow. 10 big blue, 1 small blue. And then probably 10 big purple. Under 20, it would go to. So, newer servers are about 40 with each. Oh, dude. Does that just multiply? So 2 40 decibel servers is 80 decibels. Because I thought that, it's just if it's all 40, it would all sound like 40 decibels. But I feel like adding that makes sense. Okay. So maybe it's not like a full 80 decibels, but it could be like 60 or something. What are we doing? I'm just looking for a calculator. Let's see. Let's see. 110,000 divided by 12. It's 9.6. 16666666667. Yeah, linear. Okay, decibels aren't linear. Okay, that makes sense. So 4 decibels, 60 or even 50. Gotcha. Okay, but I mean, yeah, if you add them up enough, it's like if each 40 decibel thing adds 10 decibels, you still get what? 200 more plus the 40. Yeah, that's fair. So I guess I get 9 big purple, 1 small. May as well just get 10. I feel like that makes sense. I don't need more. I actually have enough. More than enough. What is this? Oh, the wires are still connected, aren't they? What's this? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm gonna rewire all this because it's in the middle, and it doesn't need to be. Yeah, no, I would not want to. I think one server on low power so that it's kind of just chilling here. I like the noise of a fan. Let's just say. All right, here, let's. How lovely. Oh, the music's loud. 1 second. Dude. Actually, I played the demo in complete silence. I didn't know the radio was there. So I was just chilling in this fan. Anyways, let's change back to. Okay. So what we're gonna do. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 12 is 72. What's the 5? Oh, so that's 77. I need 110. Which. The demo, the early access, never touched the radio. That's fair. do you have anything playing in the background, or are you just raw dog in the server room? This should be enough. This is more than enough power, but I just want to know how many. I needed 10 big ones, so that's 6 and 3. So from here on, I don't need. Raw dog in the server. I'll listen to an AI store on YouTube. That's valid. Alright. So we got our purples. The next one we want are blues, which are 10,000%. No, it's 100,000. So well, 40 plus 40 is 44. Aha, okay. I remember learning logarithms in high school. So I know I have 2 big blue ones there. I guess I get 7? Because that'll make 9. 8 of them will equal 86. Mind blowing. Mind bloweth away. Oh man. Clear. Let's see, 100. I think may as well just make things all big because it only earns us more money, right? 12,000. So it's 8.3. So we'll just get 9 of these. And then I know I needed 11 big ones. But double and a bit the space. You're right. Is there enough for all this? Yeah, probably. Oh, I still had a big purple one here. Grab the cart. So we gotta plan this out a little bit. I think, let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 machines. Small servers are 3. Large servers are 7. Aha. Okay, so, oh, I see. That's probably why. And I'm guessing the switches are 1U. That's probably why you can sneak a small one in the bottom here. So this is probably the optimal spacing. Looks like there's space for 1. Could you put 1 in there? You can. So you can put 2 switches, 6 big ones, and 1 small one. Yeah, I guess optimal space usage would make sense, but some of them are. I mean, we get to /27. I think that's what is that? 32. 27 is 30 usable IPs, so you can get up to 30 machines on that. I'm not too worried about space right now, though, so. Yeah, optimize for IOPS. Yeah. I think having the, considering time usage is also important. Actually, before I wire these, I'm actually, oh yeah. Before this, I'm going to actually put the, like the, I don't know, the hub switch in here. I'm gonna have to lower all these by 1. And yeah, let's flash. Oh dear, we got another wave. One second. What's this? Good. And good. Okay. Let's fix. Oh my gosh, there's so many. And she optimized for sanity. Oh my gosh. Thanks for doing this, guys. I appreciate it. You're paid enough. No, I don't want that. I want the blue one. Alright. So, here's the question now. Do we just straight up all this whole rack to each switch and then combine the switches? Or do we still separate them by color? Or do we separate them by the number of servers? Because if we don't have any, it would still, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there still wouldn't be enough space to put 2 small ones in there. Do I want to connect 20 small servers, 40 connections? I want to do 5 servers, 10 connections. Yeah. For my mental health, I'm doing the large ones. So if I do a tower, question. No, let me do a thought experiment here. Now you're getting into a large server pack. So making your very first connection server or your inbound connection comes in and then distributes it out to your servers. Now making your very first one a connection server where your inbound connection comes in and distributes it out to your server. Isn't that what this is doing? Or is this different? I mean, this is 2 connections. Like this one's single one coming in and it's distributing it. Oh. Inbound connection comes in and then distributes it out. Are you saying connect each one of these to a single port in that? That's what I did in the demo. But my brain is like, oh, I don't want all the wires coming across like that. An entire rack to do that. Aha! See, I have thought about that. Now that you're gonna do the larger server plus, I have thought about that. The very first one, a connection server. So are you saying connect the servers to each other? Maybe? Is it? That's an interesting thought. Does that do anything? Oh, let me switch it. Your first rack would be your inbound connection from your client, and it moved down to your distribution switches, and then you'd run wires to switch, and then nothing above the top. Ah. So what advantage does that give? Because I feel like run wires to your servers. Okay. So you're saying from the cabinet directly to the server from the client, and then it moved down to your distribution switches. Oh boy, we're running into a slow... I think I'm just bad at learning through text, my goodness. Out to your servers. Your first rack would be your inbound client. That would be this, okay. With your inbound connection from your client, yes. And you move down your distribution switches. Then you'd run wires to your switch, and then nothing above the top. And then the next corresponding rack cell is just servers. Oh, I see. I see. Okay, so your surfer. Oh dear, there's more. See, my concern with that is it doesn't look pretty. Because, at least in this game, moving wires laterally, it does weird things. So let's say, is this switch to this, and like we have to move that way to that, and then it makes it all loopy. So I guess we would do this to this to this to this maybe. But even still, it's kind of gonna make me fire my switches. I actually have a Discord server. You could just send a screenshot. It'd be easier. I don't have an invite link. You have Discord? I can. I got a notification here. All right, sweet. I will send you a link to. Let's see if I can. There we go. That should be it. Hey, there we go. I can't react to say hi. What? Oh, maybe I have to do all of those stupid things they forced me to do. Introduction stuff. There it is. What's up, Cyborg? You can post it anywhere, I don't really care. I do need to add a section for a data center, though. Should add a channel for that. Data center. Oh, I need an emoji. Server. Yo, and Junior Jack RN. Welcome in, my friend. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing, my friend? Are you fixing these? You better be fixing them. Welcome, welcome. We're having a party in data center right now. I'm being taught important things. Oh man, I can't believe I made a Discord channel just for data center. It's beautiful. This game has changed my life officially, I think. Alright. Says I don't have a permission to post. Of course. It's broken, I'm sorry. Let me I think there's some, and there's a reaction you have to do or something like that. Let me, new members. Let me just punch in rules. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I just saw it change. Verify member. There you go. You should be able to post now. Oh, we're doing good. We're doing good. Is it still broken? Aha! Hooray! Let's go. If I understand you correctly, we're going to... I'm willing to try it. Over here. Sneak a small one in the bottom. And actually, we don't need that here. That'll go there. Then it goes up one thing higher. Ensure you have adequate tissues available to scoop up. Oh, I am concerned. I have a trash can nearby, so that'll be no problem. Yep. Alright, great with never range supposed to high availability like Seer G1, switch 1, Seer 101, switch 2. You know what? Those are terms I don't even know, so I think you're better at networking than me. But that sounds correct. Okay, let me look at this beautiful thing. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, you're using patches. Okay. Oh, that's an aneurysm waiting to happen. Dear goodness golly, my friend.